Dear students, in this video we will solve the warming up and chit chat question from the lesson The Tempest. वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोगों के लिए एक अनाउंसमेंट है कि मैंने 9th क्लास के इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट के हर लेसन के हर क्वेश्चन और आंसर का एक ई बुक और पीडीएफ तैयार किया है। अगर आप उसको खरीदना चाहते हैं, परचेज करना चाहते हैं तो लिंक उसका आपको पहले कमेंट में मिलेगा। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द चिट चैट क्वेश्चन एंड द फर्स्ट चिट चैट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू हैव अ पेट? व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट? So answer is yes, I have a pet parrot and I call it Nemo. Second question is, how old it is? What does it look like? So answer is, it is just 6 months old and it is green, but some of its feathers are yellow and blue. Third question is, what does it eat? Who takes care of it? So answer is, it eats fruits and vegetables and I and my mother take care of it. Fourth question is, does it understand you? What does it do? So answer is yes, it can understand me and it can whistle and call the names of my few family members. Fifth question is, have you taught it any tricks? So answer is yes, it can whistle and call the names of my few family members and it also laughs like human. Sixth question is, do you refer to it as it or as he or she? So answer is, I refer to it as he. Now we will start the warming up questions, and the first warming up question is, you must have seen and liked a play in any language on the stage. Write down the following details about it. So first is name of the play. So name of the play is Macbeth. Second point is important character. So important characters are Macbeth, Lady Macbeth, the three witches, Banquo, King Duncan, Macduff, Malcolm, Hecate, Philiance and Lady Macduff. C point is its main theme. So its main theme is ambition and power without righteousness can corrupt a man. D point is whether it was a comedy or tragedy or social theme or any other. So Macbeth is a tragedy. E point is why you liked it. So answer is, I like the drama because of its character development and the story and the beautiful message it gives us. F point is the message of the play. So the message of the play is that we must not leave the path of righteousness and the desire for power and its wrong usage should never corrupt our mind and soul. G point is any other information about the play. So Macbeth is considered one of the best dramas written by Shakespeare and it is still played in theaters and many movies have been made on the same story. Second question is, the following are the different steps in drama or play. They are in a mixed up order. Rearrange them in a proper order. Just write the order numbers in brackets. So first step is C, curtain opens. Second step is A, character enters. Third step is D, action begins. Fourth step is H, interaction of characters. Fifth step is E, scene of the play. Sixth is B, climax. Seventh is G, finale or final outcome. And eighth is F, curtain closes. Third question is, William Shakespeare was one of the greatest playwrights of all time. He lived in the 16th century. Many of the Shakespearean plays have been written in the short story form. Find out the names of at least 5 Shakespearean plays. So examples is Romeo and Juliet. So answer is first Hamlet, second Macbeth, third Othello, fourth King Lear, fifth Much Ado About Nothing, sixth is Merchant of Venice, 7th is The Winter's Tale and 8th is The Two Gentlemen of Verona. So these were the warming up and chit chat question from the lesson The Tempest. I hope कि आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो की मदद से इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर को लिखा होगा। अगर ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ में शेयर कीजिए और अगर कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर पूछिए और इसी तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियोज़ के लिए मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो।